Today it is very hot outside and inside. It's very hot inside. It's very hot inside my house. Circle. Do you think it's hot, Circle? Circle, would you agree that it's hot inside? Circle, do you agree? Well, why is it hot inside? Because the air conditioner is broken. It doesn't work. I don't have to put this light in my face. I guess I could put it down. Well, what do you do when the air conditioner is broken? What do you do? Well, you could buy a new one. Spend all your money on a new one. Where do you buy an air conditioner? Home Depot. What is Home Depot? What is Home Depot? What is Home Depot? Home Depot is a very large store where people go to buy stuff and things. Okay, so let's go to Home Depot. Also in this video, I'm going to teach you some useful phrases that you can use to ask where things are in big stores like Home Depot. All right, well, let's go right now. Come on, let's go. So I made it to Home Depot, and I'm gonna try to find an air conditioner. I need a portable air conditioner that I can move around to different rooms. But I won't be able to find it in a store this big unless I know some phrases to ask where things are. So let's talk about those. But before we do, we need to know a few basic words. So the first one is aisle. Aisle is a long row, and usually there's a number connected with it and maybe something underneath it. For example, aisle 47, electronics, or aisle 12. When you talk to someone in the store, they're probably going to tell you an aisle number. Probably. Now, bigger than that would be a section. A section would be a larger area. Maybe, for example, the lighting section, or you might have the home appliances section. You might have the pool section. Maybe there's the kitchen section. Maybe there's the lumber section. Okay, sometimes also department. Maybe they'll say department, maybe they'll say section. That's about the same thing. Then they'll talk about the back of the store, the front of the store, or left side, right side. If they say left and right, they're talking about if you're facing away from the door toward the back of the store. That's the back of the store. So if they say back right of the store, aisle 42, then you walk straight through the front door, go to the back of the store, all the way to the end, then turn right and find that number. Pretty easy. If you actually want to talk to someone, you can say hi. You could also say, excuse me. Those are both okay. Hi, excuse me. So should you say man? Should you say lady? What should you say? You can say sir if it's a man, sir if it's a man, and usually miss if it's a lady. So sir and miss. So I'm actually going to go around the store and I'm going to ask people where things are. I'm not only going to ask about the air conditioner. So I've got these 5 things you can say in my pocket here, just as an example, and a little piece of paper. Usually never show my notes. These are my notes. Okay, I'm just going to read it. Excuse me, which section are the air conditioners in? Which section are the air conditioners in? Excuse me, sir. Which section are the air conditioners in?
The AC, right?
Yes.
Go back to aisle 1, right to the end, and your left.
Okay, thank you. Could you point me toward the light fixtures? Could you point me toward the light fixtures? Which is where I am now. Hi. Could you point me toward the light fixtures?
The light fixtures?
Yes.
Go to aisle 1, always 2.
Aisle 1 and then turn left?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You get somebody go PDF to help.
Okay, thank you. Where can I find the paint? Excuse me, miss. Where can I find the paint? Excuse me, sir. Where can I find the paint? Hi, excuse me. Where can I find the paint?
Next aisle.
Next aisle. Oh, okay. Thank you. Next 2 aisles. Okay. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. I'm looking for the grills. Could you tell me where those are? Could you tell me where those are? Excuse me. I'm looking for the grills. Can you tell me where those are? Can you tell me where the grills are? Aisle 48? Thank you. Excuse me, sir. I'm trying to find the heating and cooling section. Could you point me in the right direction? Ooh, that rhymes. That's a good one. I did write these, but I forgot I made it rhyme. I'm trying to find the heating and cooling section. Could you point me in the right direction? Excuse me, I'm trying to find the heating and cooling section. Could you point me in the right direction?
Heating and cooling?
Yes.
That would be in aisle 12.
Aisle 12, which is this way?
It would be that way.
Oh, this way. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Well, we've learned everything we need to learn. Let's actually see if I can find an air conditioner. Maybe not. It's pretty loud. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to push the subscribe button and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Give me suggestions for things you want to see me talk about, and I'll look for those in the comments. See you next time.